without you. And I've had only 15 minutes.
She's shaking like that.
Put this on her. This is a skin temperature probe. If
Mhm.
she's a little bit cold, we want her to warm back up to
Mhm.
at least 98 degrees. So, but I'm going to put this on her so that under the heater we don't burn her or anything. We want her to warm up slowly but not burn her skin.
Uh-huh.
Even long she is.